Hi, today I'm showing you a powerful cardboard subwoofer box. Some time ago I got this 15-inch home audio subwoofer speaker driver. While a proper plywood box is not yet made, I decided to test the theory whether a subwoofer sounds better without or with a cardboard subwoofer box. You must already know the answer, that the subwoofer sounds better in the box, even if it's made of old cardboard. To make a subwoofer box using cardboard, you'll need several cardboard packing boxes, a fine saw, PVA glue, paper knife, leveler, and a few screws will also come in handy. Thicker pieces of cardboard are also useful as support ribs. For the box itself, I will use this Samsung microwave oven packing box. It is very thick and a good base for the whole project. Then, it's just a case of making the box yourself. Mark where you want to cut the speaker hole in the box, then glue extra supports on the inside. The more rigid the box, the better the base. You can't glue too much shrink materials inside. All the supports will be for the best. Once the glue has hardened, you can cut a subwoofer speaker hole in the box. I will use screws with nuts to hold the subwoofer better in place in the box. Then stick extra supports in the box, because this 15-inch subwoofer speaker is huge. Then draw a bass reflex port for the air outlet and cut it out. I will get this subwoofer box tuned to about 35 Hz. Then create a bass reflex port inside the box. Use the online reflex port calculator to get the exact dimensions of the bass reflex port. Also, stick the cutout speaker hole cardboard inside the box. This will give extra strength to the box. This is how my cardboard subwoofer box for 15-inch driver looks like. You can also install a speaker cable terminal. If you don't have one, you can pull the subwoofer cable through the bass reflex port. Another important thing I would recommend is to have a subwoofer magnet and speaker cabinet support, because it is quite difficult to hold such a large magnet speaker to the front plane of the cardboard box. It is important to seal all the gaps in the box so that no air gets past. This has a significant effect on the sound of the subwoofer. This is what the cardboard subwoofer box looks like in the end before the speaker is put in. Attach the cable to the subwoofer and screw the sub inside the box. If this box was painted, it would look good. Now for some sound demos. So you realize that the cardboard subwoofer box really works and improves the overall sound of the system.